What are Medicaid benefits in the state of Florida? In the state of Florida, there are 3 levels of Medicaid benefits. The very first one is at home. At home, you get a caregiver that would come to your home a certain amount of hours per week. That is the first level. Then the second level is assisted living facility. If you need to go into an assisted living facility, Medicaid would pay up to a certain amount per month that would reduce your monthly out-of-pocket costs. It's a great benefit. In 2024, it pays up to $1,800 towards that bill, which is quite substantial. And then the third level of benefit is a skilled nursing facility or a nursing home. And that is where the greatest benefit is, because that could be a very, very expensive monthly expense. And so they pay all of that out of pocket. So there's no out of pocket actually. And it's a great benefit. So it is wise to start planning early for Medicaid benefits, because that way you can really get the full gamut of the benefits that you need without having to risk all of your life savings. So call us for a consultation. We look forward to speaking with you.